my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Lesser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you the simple trick on how to lock any apps on Android phone. A step-by-step tutorial, so let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Android hack tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to lock any app on your Android phone in order to increase your level of security on your phone. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you look for settings on your phone. So settings right here. So click on settings. From settings, it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to just simply scroll down. Then you can simply scroll down and click on app lock. Then you will be asked to enter your pattern login or password. So I'm going to enter my pattern login. So for you to lock any app right here, what you need to do is to just simply click on the padlock. So you can lock as many as possible, just like what you see right here. So once you lock the app, so by the time we exit from here and I click on any of the app that was already locked, they will ask me to enter the login password. So for instance, I logged this Adobe Photoshop Express. So let me click on that. Then they ask me a pattern login. So I will enter my password before I can access the app. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to lock your app on your Android phone, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Android tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.